Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I wanted to try out a product on camera with you guys. And that is the Too Faced Melt Off Mascara. So I just have a deluxe sample size, but I thought why not still try the product? It's the same product, just in a smaller size. And I want to see if it works because I think that would be pretty cool. Because it's always hard to take off all of your mascara. There's usually some left over and then you wake up in the morning and there's some underneath smudged under your eyes. So if this actually works, it would be a cool thing to put in your routine when you're taking off your makeup. So that's what I'm going to try out today. Before we get on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it and you like first impressions. And if you want to know my thoughts on this product, then please just keep watching. So it is called the Too Faced Mascara Melt Off. And it says it's a cleansing oil, it's waterproof, and it is a mascara dissolver. It has antioxidant rich green tea extract infused to help protect lashes. Another thing I like that this is a mascara, it's not going to tug at your lashes, because whenever I'm wiping off my mascara, when I'm taking off my makeup, I'm using a cotton pad and I kind of like pull down on my lashes. So hopefully this will be better for them than doing that. It says it has rice lipids extract to help condition lashes. I don't know what that is, but it has that in it. 97% said it removed waterproof mascara easily. Oh, too bad I don't have waterproof mascara to test it on. I really don't like waterproof mascara, so I don't have any. And 97% said it left lashes feeling soft and conditioned. Okay, it claims to remove every trace of both waterproof and regular mascara. So I've had my mascara on for a while because I wanted to make sure it dried completely, so this is getting put to good use instead of just putting it on right after my mascara, because then obviously it would probably work because my mascara would still be wet. So my mascara on right now is completely dry. So step one, use the precision wand to coat lashes base to tip. This is what the mini guy looks like, and I'll just show you the wand. Oh. It is basically like an oil. It just kind of spewed out. But that is what the wand looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and coat my lashes base to tip. It didn't say to put it on the tops of your lashes, just like this. This is what the back looks like. This is a very, very interesting wand. I don't even know if it has bristles in it. It's just kind of round with little lines, but let's try it. Okay, it's definitely an oil. I'm just gonna put it on the top too, just because I put mascara on the top of my lashes, so I probably should put this oil there too. I poke myself in the eye with it. Okay, it's not stinging. That's good. Probably not supposed to get this in your eye, but I totally poke the whole wand on it. But it feels fine. It's fine. I just put it on like a mass amount. Maybe I should leave this one on and show you a comparison after, so I'll do that. The next step is to leave on for at least 60 seconds to allow the formula to penetrate and condition lashes. So I'll just let it do that. Okay, timer is up. It's been 1 minute. My eyeball is still not stinging, so that's good because I definitely got it in my eye. So now it says sweep away the dissolved mascara with a damp cloth or makeup wipe. So I don't have any makeup wipes and all my cloths are dirty. So I'm just going to use a towel. If you're wondering why I'm being ridiculous and using a towel, it's because that's all I have. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so big. Okay, not gonna lie, my battery died, so this has been on way longer than a minute, but I'll do the other one for 1 minute to show you properly. But this one has been on for a little bit longer, probably 5 to 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna be taking it off, and I zoomed you guys in so you can see better. Oh, and it's been taking my eyeshadow off. Okay, well, it is coming off. It's really hard to grab with a big towel. Oh, I should have done the end. It is working. Actually, I think it's working pretty nicely. My lashes feel unbothered. Usually when I take off mascara, it kind of hurts the base of my lashes, but they feel completely fine. Okay, let's see. It actually did work. It took away all my mascara. That's pretty good. And also say goodbye to my eyeshadow because some got on my eyeshadow and it is melting away. Wow, my eyelashes actually even look really good too after. Okay, so far I like it. I forgot to do my bottom lashes, but it's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other lash now and actually only keep this one on for a minute and see how it works. Oh, but this is the before and after. And I actually really did condition my eyelashes and just make them super soft. I like that. It doesn't say how many coats to put on, so I just put on a lot to be safe. Also, it does make your mascara crumble everywhere, but if you were actually doing this to take off your makeup, this would probably be the last step you did anyways, so it wouldn't really matter if it's crumbling off on your bare face, but obviously I have a bunch of makeup on, so it's crumbling onto my makeup. Okay, this one's staying on for actually 1 minute this time. Okie dokes, timer is done. I'm gonna wipe this one off. Oh my gosh, my battery's blinking. I'll have to do this quick. Still working. Sorry, I'm rushing through this. I feel like it's working better at the 1 minute point for some reason. Smaller cloth would be ideal though. It worked again. Wow, my lashes are so smooth and fluffy. Literally all the mascara is off. Oh, I might have grabbed a little speck there. Alright, so that is it. That completely did work and it felt like it gave my eyelashes a little bit of a treatment, so that was really nice. I just searched this up and the full size retails for $22 on Sephora. That's actually pretty affordable, a little bit cheaper than a regular mascara. If you wanted to DIY this, you can probably get castor oil or olive oil and dip a spoolie in it to do the same thing, and that way would probably be cheaper, but this way is probably just way easier. Yeah, that is it for the video. Just a really quick little first impressions. I will probably use the rest of this bottle up. I don't know if I'll purchase the product again. The more I use it, the more I will figure out if I really like it to repurchase it. But for now, I am liking the product and I'm going to be using it because it made my eyelashes feel really nice and it took off literally all my mascara. So that's pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!